So hey guys, here are three beautiful looking, very nice quality, at least from outside looking iPhone 6s cases, and this is not paid ad or whatever, but this is a genuine review of these ones. At least I will give you my own opinion, what I think about these cases, and of course I will try these ones on iPhone 6s as well, and more or less each of this has some specific features, as you can see here, here and here. I will just show you closer each of those ones, and as you can see as well, the style is different for each of this case, and more or less if you're looking for the same model and you want to see what else Melkco is making, just check the description, there are links, and you can go there and look if you like this one or this one or this one, and take one to yourself too, because they're shipping internationally and it's rather fast shipping, and I got them rather quickly and without any trouble at all. So let's dig in. So the first thing what I like about these cases, that these are in rather beautiful packages, as you can see here, and not just for yourself, but as well you can display them on your store. Yeah, this is fun for myself anyway, and not just display, but also you can make people want to look them closer, since you can interact with the case without opening the package. What's rather nice stuff, you don't see that often. And yeah, here's a special place where you can touch and feel from what kind of material it's made, and yes, this is handmade, and you know, when something is handmade, it's usually better quality for most of cases. And this is how it looks, rather nice and beautiful. And the case is just pretty. This is how it looks from outside. Description in many languages, English and whatever else the main languages there. So here's some more stuff written. Hologram logo makes it more original and authentic, so you don't buy some kind of aftermarket thing. And here's some logo as well. And this is how it looks from all sides. Yeah, rather nicely. To be honest, I never heard about this brand, so this is something new for me, and we'll see how it looks, the quality and whatever else. So let's open this first case. So more or less all cases looks rather similar, only the phones are different, so I will not make the video for each case outside. But yeah, you can also feel here the leather, the premium quality. This is from behind, and of course the black leather, but this is artificial, as you can see. The brown one, and this is how it looks, rather nicely and beautiful. Yeah, you can display it here, and it's easy to open as well. That's how it's done. So this is the case by itself, how it looks, brand new in the package. What else you can want? Feels really nice. I wonder from what kind of leather it's made. We'll see the package. Just a second. So it just says premium leather, doesn't say what kind of animal, but whatever. Feels like a really smooth. I can get goosebumps just by touching this one. But since it's a premium leather, it should keep rather clean for a long period of time. So this is how it looks from the outside. Let's take away this. So this is opening like this one. As you can see, this package is rather good one. Melkco premium leather, of course, handmade. So this is how it looks from the outside. Fully open, as you can see, and this is how it looks closed. From this side and this side. I would say it's very light. Really light. Like leather should be. Let's inspect the insides and we'll see from what's made. As you can see, there is some kind of plastic molding around it, but inside it's from everything from leather. But I understand it because you have to hold in the phone, and if it's all from the leather, it will just easily drop out from your case and you will just damage it. So, but more or less everything else here seems genuine leather. Maybe inside here between these ones is also plastic. At least kind of feels like that. More or less. Outside everything seems like from genuine leather. Yeah, it's very smooth. I get goosebumps when I touch it. So let's take my iPhone. Let's get rid of this one, this fake leather. This iPhone deserves a lot more. Let's see how this will fit in. Ooh, the popping sound, very nice. Yeah, you don't see the iPhone logo anywhere. I don't know if it's good or bad, it's depending of you, but for me, this one looks pretty nice and very luxurious. Especially the feeling, wow, that's nice. Real leather. Yeah, when you live somewhere, that's like... it's even hard to tell if it's phone there or not. So guys, this is how the Jacka type iPhone case looks on the iPhone 6s. As you can see, this looks like it's made for this one, and it feels really natural. Wow, just that incredible feeling. Every time I touch it, I get goosebumps, and well done, Melkco, well done. So here you can see all the ports. As you can see, the jack port for your headphones, easy to access. The charger port, easy to access. The speaker, well, you can see there are only two open holes for the speaker. We'll see how it sounds. Just wait a minute, we'll check this. So guys, we'll see how we can, if he can hear very well from this only. For my ears, it still works very nice. So this works very good, no problem, with just two openings for the speaker. From all the other points, this looks just very nice. Very well made. You can see all the corners, everything. You can easily access this button. Volume. Lock button. Camera here, very well done. As well, it clips and open very easily. That's good. This is just perfect, very stylish, and if you want to look really good with some really nice brand, yeah, I will go for this one for sure. Totally worth of it. The next is this one. So this is with a card slot and back cover. Looks like this one. Shiny new box. Let's take it out. So this is how it looks. More or less looks really genuine. Looks well done. This scale kind of looking leather looks pretty nice. As you can see, also there is the plastic inside this molding. That's like, I think, for the most phones or all of them. There's something written inside. Where you can see Melkco. And yep, you can open this one. and maybe you can strap your phone somewhere, like behind your belt or wherever else you want. Rather handy. You don't want to lose your phone, whatever else. This kind of feels like leather, so let's fit in the phone. Yep, pops in really easy. I like to check if the screen touches the ground. Kind of feels like it's like with the edge. But I have the protector of the screen on the phone, so I don't scratch this. Maybe it could be a little bit thicker because of the screen protector, but it's definitely meant for the phone without the screen protector. Or just like pretty well made. If you like such style, this is maybe for you. All the ports open, that's nice. Camera here. So this is how this looks. So overall, I kinda like this one, it looks pretty good. Here's the last one, not the least, Melkco artificial leather, the black one. It is actually most probably for more, I guess, men than for women, whatever else. So let's open this one and see how it's inside. So this is how it looks from the inside. Nice. Oh, also put plastic protection for this one. Now it looks a lot better. So let's pop in further the phone and we'll see how it will fit in. Very well. As you can see, this is this transparent plastic around here, and here you can see you can easily access this button. Everything is open, all ports, that's good. Camera is here, you can close it easy. It's magnetic. Feels really genuine. It's like a rather thick, not very thin, so you'll definitely not lose it easily. We'll see how it's easy to open. Yep, that's how. Here you can put like your some kind of ID or whatever else you want here. There you can put some cards. You can actually put here. You can put cards. So 1, 2, 3 cards at least. Here's something more, maybe money. Here another pocket. Here 1, 2, 3 more places where you can put something. Here you can put something else. So many pockets. This is for people who actually like to hold all things together in one place. And if you don't want to have like wallet and phone, you can have like 2 in 1, wallet and phone in this case. First of all, it seems like this will make sure that your phone will not that easy break, as this is rather thick, and all these corners, these are not like with the edge but over the edge, so if it will drop, it will most probably not crack the phone, as you can see, and this will just bend and will make the phone not absorb the fall, but it will actually be absorbed in this case. That's rather good stuff for the safety reason, as well as rather handy if you want to put your things inside, like your many things, from the money starting to the cards to the IDs or whatever else you want there. And it's easy, it closes automatically even you forget, like just like that, and you just take it and it's already closed, so that's nice. The only con is rather a big one, but the size comes with safety. I think this will most probably be the most safest case from all these 3, and this will most probably protect not just your money but also your phone from some kind of drops or whatever accidental things. And this artificial leather looks rather genuine, and I think it's rather nice. It feels good, at least for me. I'm not sure how long it will stay in this nice crispy condition, but for me it looks like very good options. So here are all three. To be honest, since I am a man, I might probably not prefer this one. This is maybe for some lady, but it's very nice looking, so depends on your style. This looks rather like stylish, very stylish. It actually fits like, it's actually, when it's on the phone, looks like it's just made for this phone, and the phone is made for this case, so this fits very well on this one. But this is very practical, but this is very ladyish, so depends of your style, but more or less all of these cases are very well made, as you can see. There are no hanging threads or whatever else. Also, it looks very well inspected, not kind of glues or whatever else, leftovers anywhere, and the packages, everything is just in a so nice and crispy condition and so well quality. I'm not saying this because I want that you buy these products, but because I think these are very nice products to buy, to gift someone, or to get for yourself. And if you want someone, just check my video description. There is the links to the place where you can buy these ones and order, and you can get them internationally. So there are also many other products. So thanks for watching, and I hope I could at least give you some overview of these nice cases, and now you have at least some idea how they're looking in real life, not just in pretty ads, but as well like first hand review.